I might go forever, go for eons. Friend like you don't be on. Pull up in the Tesla, Elon. When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone. See ya, see ya, see ya, be gone.
Alright guys, so this is my new camera. This is the Sony ZV-1F. This is the latest one. Let's go ahead and pop her open. Okay, boom. A fresh new vlog camera for the girls. Get all of this paper out of there. Say hello to our new vlog camera. Now this one has a cap on the lens and it's supposed to have some updated speeds and qualities to the camera. Okay, we gotta do some setting up. Connect smartphone. Okay, we got the creator app. Other things that I must have is my camera stand. So it screws on like this. Boom. And we are ready to vlog for the day. Let's go. Guys, I think we are working. I'm about to jump into makeup really quick and then I've already picked out my outfit. So let's go. We have to make it there at a decent time to get the word.
I see you looking like a snack, let me see some. You are the wifey type, baby you could be one. Let me change your life, I could show you many reasons, different seasons. Hop in my bag and I stay in it, hit from the back and I stay in it. He is not damn, don't play with him. She's not damn, don't play with her.
We are almost done. I'm gonna do a lash, my lip. My lip. Now I did order some new products from Sephora, but I think they put it in my neighbor's mailbox, which is annoying, but I do know who my neighbor is. I just need to text them. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. I am wearing this bag today. Some earrings. I'm gonna wear my Jayla earrings. One of my college professors got me these earrings that say Jayla, and I love them, so I'm always wearing them. But moving over here, I already have my curling iron plugged up. All right, guys, so I am ready. This is my cute black and white wrap dress. So it wraps around right here. She's cute. She has gold button details. I'm carrying my black and gold YSL bag. I am gonna also pair this outfit with my black YSL heels, but I also got some flats. So let's go ahead and head out. We're running a bit behind. We're gonna miss praise and worship, but I already did praise and worship at my house. So let's go get this word. Let's go. Mommy's gonna be back, okay? Mommy's gonna be back, okay? Love you. Love you. Okay, let's go, guys. Hello, beautiful late girl. Everybody made it to church today. Huh? Oh yeah, the new one.
Thank you.
The new one, it don't pop out. It's just boom, flat.
How's the bodice looking?
Let's go, look. And she got the white one. Maya got the white one.
Hey guys, so we're late for church, but you know we made it. That's all that matters.
We was in the overflow. We had to sit in the overflow, but it's okay. Everybody made it, which that's what God wanted today. Look at Taja. Taja and Maya looking cute. Bye-bye. Taja told us to have a Sunday.
Happy Sunday, you guys. This was
amazing. Beautiful church service.
Okay, we got a word about money and being a good steward over our money.
Yeah.
You know, we always can work on it. It's always, you know.
I feel like I needed to hear that for sure. Because
we can have some selfish purchasing decisions.
Y'all.
Ladies, y'all heard about the selfish purchasing decisions?
The what?
The selfish purchasing decisions. Woohoo! You see, Jasmine did not want to get the word.
Stop, I did. I just, you know, bags be cute. But make sure if you're gonna get a bag, make sure that you're blessing those who don't have the bag, and then, you know, treat yourself after. Put others first.
Put others first.
So buy them that food or whatever they need, then get your bag.
Oh my God, he's gonna work on Jazz. He's gonna work on Jazz.
We talking about, hey boo.
I'm not playing with y'all.
I thought y'all was taking a picture.
Well, girl, I think we just got too much going on.
Cut that out.
We need to get far away because y'all is acting up. You guys, we have finally made it into Toast. The girls are finally seated. Woo, we're getting our food. We can't wait to get our food.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing my line.
Morning, guys. Happy Monday. So we are getting ready to go to Pilates. We're going to Sculpt House, and at Sculpt House we do cardio, that's running. So I really like Sculpt House because it's not just regular Pilates. Pilates can be kind of slow. I'm not really the yoga slow. No. Let's speed it up. Speed it up. Like, I'm a morning person. I have energy. Those type of things are not me. I think y'all know that. So we are getting ready to go into some workouts for the week. I planned all of my workouts. I'm working out Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And then the days in between, I'm going to try to go to the gym in my building. Wish me luck. But this is something that I love to have in my routine. I love to get active. I think it clears the mind out. I'm trying to find my I'm trying to find my Pilates socks at this current moment. But yeah, I like having this in my routine. It gets my body going. It clears my mind, honestly, from all the things that I'm dealing with. And it is a stress reliever for me. So, where the heck is my Pilates socks? Tell them good morning, Carlum. Say good morning. A little stretch. A little stretch. Mommy's going to go to Pilates and then Mommy will be back. I have a 12:30 meeting today with a graphic designer. We're doing a strategy call. So, we're up and we're at it, guys. All right, Sculpt House it is. We're getting this body moving and going and moving and shaking and yep. This really just puts me in a good headspace, you guys, to start the week and handle all the worldly BS.
And then we have our rest table after that. One thing to know is if we're doing anything at the back, you can
You guys, class was great today. Got that workout in. We did abs. Woo, that was intense. Cut it up. So I'm back from the gym. I'm showered. Today has went a bit of a turn and my emotions are kind of like down, and I do this thing where I just try to be happy on camera and like push through, but today's just not one of those days. I got a text message basically saying that one of my cousins' apartment burned down, and you know, it really hurts. Let's see who's calling me. So I have been in communication with my family and I basically want to send something to one of my aunt's houses, and this is my favorite cousin on my dad's side, so it just really hurts, and I want to send some clothes and some toys for the kids and stuff. So I know that she's shaken up, and like I feel like I'm an empath and I can feel people's pain, and she's really just crushed about losing all of her things. And of course, you want to say like, I'm just so happy that you're alive, like your life is so much more. You're going to get everything back times 10. But I just know that she's really hurt right now. So of course I'm hurt and yeah. I just hate, I hate when the people I love are hurt. It really hurts my feelings, I have a call at 12:30. I have a dentist appointment at 1, but I'm just so thankful that she's okay and they're okay, but just kind of shaking up a bit myself, totally unexpected, and yeah. Whew. You guys, today's a heavier day for me. Laptop in hand. First things first is to order some stuff. Amazon is gonna have your back for everything, so I know Amazon gonna have my back today with getting some stuff over to my family.
Right. And I think that sometimes when we set up these like logos and brands, we're like, okay, I don't want to be stuck right here, right? You don't want to do the same thing over and over again. But when you do have that solid foundation, and when you do have a full color palette and things like that, there's a lot of opportunity for you to remix, for you to bring in some elements. But the key is to use some of the old elements and the new elements and kind of marry them so that it still kind of flows through each thing. So I think that there's definitely some opportunity for you to revisit your foundation. Make sure that it's solid and it is something that you want to stick with. And if it is something that you do want to stick with, then perfect. How can you add to it or restructure it or whatever in a way that allows you more opportunity to kind of extend to all of these different branches? Because you have so many different branches, and you are multifaceted, you definitely want to be sure that each part is going to look good, is going to be cohesive, but also that it represents you well.
Yeah. With all of the websites that you saw, what look do you feel like resonates with my brand more?
So this is more like fun, flirty scripts, like stuff like that, and different textures, like little small elements like this. And then this is a lot more, the fonts are a lot stronger. There's some darker colors incorporated, things like that. Yeah. And so I think that's also part of like the disconnect. I think this is closer to, this one is closer to your actual branding that you already have.
Yeah. All right, guys, just got off the call with my website designer. We had a strategy call, and I'm super excited about all the things that we talked about. And oh my God, having a website, it's maintenance on your website and having different brands and just being multifaceted. I'm trying to manage it all, but I'm feeling really good about the end of our call and what we talked about and discussed. Now I'm about to hurry up and eat, and then I have a dentist appointment because we got to take care of our teeth, take care of our, ourselves. So you guys, I was late to my dentist appointment. We had to reschedule for next Monday. Boo! Good morning, beautiful girls. So, I woke up this morning feeling a little bit of anxiety, and I'm just trying to collect myself, and sometimes I can't pinpoint where the anxiety is coming from, but I do know that I feel it. So like I said the other day, I don't like bringing you guys energy like that is not like my best self, my happy self. So sometimes I struggle with being able to talk to you guys when like I'm not feeling like my best. But we push through. I'm really excited about things. I have some really exciting things coming up, and I just think that I get frustrated with myself and my own emotions when I don't feel good, because it's like I should be happy, like I have an exciting meeting tomorrow, and I don't know. So we shall push through. I went downstairs to get some packages before I was going to head over to the office. And we got our $1 Million Planner by Marketing by Monray in the mail. I'm super excited about this. I want to unbox this because in the office today, I basically, you know, when I have the time, I'm building my brand, building my business. So this sun, hold on. Can you guys see me? All right, yeah, this is my hair. I did leave this long with the middle part, but I kind of just flipped it over. I also have boxing today at 6:30, so when I leave the office, I'll be doing boxing. But I was kind of like, should I cancel it because my hair looks so good? You know, they pressed out my roots. So I'm like, dang, like if I go to the boxing, my head is going to kind of sweat no matter what. I don't know, but we shall see. I think I'm still gonna go because I like to go to the gym to kind of just like release some of that like anxiety. My anxiety is more anger. I'm like angry in the inside. It's not like, oh, I'm just really so sad. It's really just anger. Like, so I don't want to cancel boxing because I'm like, girl, you need to let it out. Also, something that's super exciting is I am actually working with Monray. You guys know I was on the Ghetto CEO podcast, and I will be doing the interviews for the Ghetto CEO Happy Hour that's happening here in Atlanta next Monday. So like I said, I have some really exciting things happening, and boom, 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 millionaire. This is a strategy planner to help you execute your $1 million year. And I am intentionally going into these next few months saying to myself, this is my $1 million year. Because if I don't actually say it out loud and say what I want, then how am I supposed to get there? So I'm packing this in my work tote today. Yeah. So we're about to head over to the office and about to do some more work over there. It's just all a lot of stuff to do, but goes into work tote, new planner. Look, I already have multiple notebooks inside of here. I'm planning my master plan. If you did not know, Jayla is planning her master plan. Jayla is planning her master plan. Okay? Okay. This is so cute. It came in this like container right here. This box. Millionaire. Where can I put this? We need it somewhere. Yeah. 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 Yeah, we need to see it. We need to see it. I know exactly what I want. Period. Now let's go conquer the day. We gotta do emails, we gotta plan. It's just so much planning. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of today's vlog. You guys, we have a word from our sponsor. You know our sponsor, Squarespace, loves the digital boss babe, so they get us. If you don't know what Squarespace is about, it's a website hosting platform that allows you to launch your own business and company no matter what you do. They have a new system out, a new like engine out called Fluid Engine that allows you to drag and drop basically anything into your website design. It makes it super, super easy for beginners to make their own website and not like techie at all. Super easy to use, which we love. So you guys, I'm gonna have the link in my description box for you guys to go ahead and launch your business, start playing around with your website and what you want that to look like. I feel like everybody deserves to have their online space, like their little real estate in the online world, which is your website. So you can go to www.squarespace.com/Jayla to get a free trial and 10% off your first purchase of your website hosting. You guys, go ahead and jump into this. Put this on your summer to-do list. Launch your business, redo your website design, switch platforms if that's what you need to do. But Squarespace has you covered. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I'm gonna get some work done.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, oh, yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Back in that.